Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the nomenclature of an organic compounds. Okay. The nomenclature for the organic compound is very important for the identification of a particular compound, and there are mainly two types of nomenclature. One is IUPAC system according to the IUPAC. That is, first one is according to the IUPAC system, and second one is trivial system or general system, or we can call it as common system. The second one is trivial or general or common system for the nomenclature of an organic compound. The first one is the IUPAC system, and the second one trivial or general or common system. Let us discuss first one, that is IUPAC system, and then we will discuss the trivial, general or common system. Let us take the heading, that is IUPAC system. IUPAC nomenclature, the nomenclature of an organic compounds according to the IUPAC system. I will start from the IUPAC system. This IUPAC system for the nomenclature of an organic compound. IUPAC means International Union Paper and Applied Chemistry. That is International Union of Paper and Applied Chemistry. The full form of the IUPAC is International Union of Paper and Applied Chemistry. Then according to the IUPAC system, for the nomenclature of an organic compound, the IUPAC system consists three parts. That is, it consists three parts. First one, and root word. Second one, suffix. Third one, and prefix. For nomenclature for any compounds according to the IUPAC system, the IUPAC system consists of three parts. One is root word, second one is suffix, and third one is prefix. Once we understand this root word, suffix and prefix, then the nomenclature will become the very easy. Then understand first root word. A root word means which indicates a number of carbon atom in the parent chain. That is, it indicates the root word indicates number of carbon atom present in the organic compounds, and we can call it as parent chain, or longest carbon chain is known as parent chain. Okay? Root word indicates the number of carbon atom present in the organic compounds. The suffix is further it is divided into primary and secondary suffix. The primary suffix will indicate the nature of the organic compound. The primary suffix will indicate the nature of the organic compound, and secondary suffix will indicate the functional group present in the organic compound. Okay? That is, secondary suffix will indicate the functional group present in an organic compound. Third one, it indicates an substituent group present in the organic compound. Okay? Here we will see one by one here. First one, I will take the root word, that it indicates the number of carbon atoms. According to the number of carbon atoms, there are different root words are there. Consider number of carbon, and next column, that is root word. Consider an organic compound contain one carbon atom, then the root word will be given as man. If The organic compound contains 2 carbon atoms. Then the root word will be given as an add. If 3 carbon atoms are present in the organic compound, then the root word is given as pro. If 4 carbon atoms, then but. 5 carbon atom, pent. 6 carbon atom, hex. If 7 carbon atoms are present in the organic compound, then the root word will be given as have. If 8 carbon atoms are present, then oct. If 9 carbon atoms are present, then non. If 10 carbon atoms are present in organic compound, then it is given as that. यहाँ तक हमको समझना है, आगे भी बोल सकते हैं. That is 11th one. 11th and 12th we can we have to perfect these things. 1 to 10. That is first one. If organic compounds contain 1 carbon atom, that is meth. 2 eth. 3 prop. 4 but. 5 pent. 6 hex. 7 hep. 8 oct. 9 non and 10 death. That is, these are the root words depending on the number of carbon atoms in the parent child. And second one, that is suffix. Suffix will indicate the nature as well as functional group. The primary suffix will indicate the nature of the organic compounds. Then what type of nature it has? The organic compounds has the two nature, that is whether the organic indicates the nature, it means whether the organic compound is unsaturated or unsaturated. If an organic compound, that is, it indicates an saturated or unsaturated. The organic compound is saturated or unsaturated organic compound. Saturated means if an organic compound contain कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, अगर कार्बन एंड कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट रहा तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सैचुरेटेड। ये कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में अगर डबल बॉन्ड रहा और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रहा, दैट इज नोन एज एन अनसैचुरेटेड कंपाउंड। द सैचुरेटेड मींस कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड रहना चाहिए, तब इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सैचुरेटेड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड। ये कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में अगर डबल बॉन्ड रहा या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रहा, then it is known as an unsaturated organic compound. Then let us see what are the suffix will be given to the saturated, unsaturated, that is single bond, double bond and triple bond. Here I will take the nature and second column, that is suffix, that is primary suffix, and third column I will take the examples. First one, that is nature. Mainly there are two types of nature for the organic compounds, that is unsaturated and another one is unsaturated. Consider first one, that is saturated. Saturated, I will take their nature, that is linkage, as well as we can take nature and linkage. Nature and linkage. Nature is saturated and the linkage is carbon carbon single bond. Okay. Then the primary suffix will be given as A and E. That is, the primary suffix will be added just after the root word. That is, the primary suffix will be added just after the root word. I will take the example here. Saturated, that is primary suffix, and linkage is the carbon carbon single bond. Let us take the example. Consider an organic compound consists of one carbon atom. If one carbon atom is present, then the root word will be given as meth. If one carbon atom, then consider an example, that is CH4. Here, one carbon atom is there. Therefore, the root word is meth. It is unsaturated, and the primary suffix will be ane. That ane will be added after the root word, that is plus ane, and it will become the methane as the compound. The IUPAC name for this compound is methane. Let us take another example. CS3, CH3. Here, number of carbon atoms are 2. Then the root word is add. And it contains a single bond. Carbon के बीच में single bond present है. उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Primary suffix will be considered as ANE. This ANE is added just after the root word, that is add plus ANE, and the name of the compound will become ethane. The IUPAC name for this compound is an ethane. Let us take another example. CH3, CH2, CH3. Here 3 carbon atoms are there in the organic compound. Then the root word is prop. 3 carbon atom अगर रहा तो उसको नाम देते हैं हम prop. And it is unsaturated. Therefore, plus ANE, and the name of the compound will become propane. The name of the compound is propane. This is about the saturated compound. You can take the other examples also. The first one is methane, ethane, and the last one is the propane. One carbon atom, and it is unsaturated, therefore it is methane. 2 carbon atom, it is saturated, therefore ethane. 3 carbon atoms, and it is saturated, therefore propane. Then second one, that is unsaturated. The second one is the unsaturated. Unsaturated. In the unsaturated, there are 2 types of linkage can be seen. First one is carbon-carbon double bond, and next one is carbon-carbon triple bond. It is first linkage and second linkage. First linkage is the carbon-carbon double bond, and the second linkage is the carbon-carbon triple bond. If an organic compound contains carbon-carbon double bond, then the primary suffix will be given as ene. Primary suffix will be added just after the root word. It will start from the second carbon atom. Then let us see the example here. CH2 double bond CH2. There are 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, the root word is add. It is an unsaturated containing double bond, and the primary suffix is ene. It is plus E and E. The name of the compound will become ethene. The name of the compound is the ethene. And CH3, CH double bond CH3. Here 3 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, the root word is an prop. The root word will become the prop. Plus, it is an unsaturated containing the double bond. Therefore, ene, that is plus ene. The name of the compound will become the propene. The IUPAC name of this compound is propene. The second type of linkage, that is carbon-carbon triple bond. If the organic compounds contain carbon-carbon triple bond, then the suffix will be given as, that is primary suffix will be given as YNE. Consider an organic compounds contain 2 carbon atoms with the triple bond. Then the root word will be given as add. The root word will be considered as add, and it is an unsaturated containing triple bond, and the primary suffix is YNE. then the name of the compound will be the ethyl. The IUPAC name of the compound is ethyl. And here C as 3, C triple bond, CH. There are 3 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, the root word is and pro. It is an unsaturated containing triple bond. Therefore, YNE is the primary suffix, and the name of the compound will become an-propyne. Name of the compound will become the propyne. That is nature and linkage. Nature are 2 types. One is saturated, another one is unsaturated. Linkage is the carbon-carbon single bond or carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. If saturated carbon-carbon single bond, then the primary suffix will be given as ANE. That is, primary suffix will be added just after the root word. If carbon-carbon contain double bond, then the primary suffix will be ENE. If carbon-carbon triple bond, then the primary suffix will be YNE. And once again, I will recall this. According to the IUPACs, there are, for the nomenclature of organic compounds, there are 2 systems. One is IUPAC system and another one is an trivial or general or common system. In that I am taking IUPAC system, that is International Union Fever and Applied Chemistry. The IUPAC system consists of 3 parts for the nomenclature of any organic compound. Those are root word, suffix and prefix. The root word indicates the number of carbon atoms in the organic compounds. Based on the number of carbon atoms, there are different root words are there. That is 1 to 10. Then suffix, there are further divided into 2 types. One is primary and another one is secondary. Primary will indicate the nature of organic compound, whether it is an saturated or whether it is an unsaturated. If saturated, carbon-carbon single bond. If unsaturated, is carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. And the secondary suffix will indicate the functional group present in the organic compound. And in the next class we will discuss and secondary suffix, that is, it will indicate the functional group.